good.
Perfect, I like it. Thanks. Hello you guys, and welcome back to another video here in my house. I am finally super excited to do another video for you guys back, and I am going to start to clean the house. Well, the kitchen, I have the kitchen to tackle, and then the living room and the rest of my other spots around the house, like vacuum, and I think I'm gonna dust a little bit the blinds because it's been forever, and clean some of my mirrors from the bathroom, do some dishes because it's out of control. I have piles of dishes, it's crazy. Get ready because tomorrow is a special day. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. Mother's Day is so special for me because I am going to do stuff with my family, even though if we're home and just having breakfast and just hanging out. I am happy. That's what makes me happy, just little stuff. Go ahead and start. I'm gonna share with you guys what my house looks like. That way you guys know what I'm going to be doing so you guys can see the mess. So let's go into the video and get started. What's up you guys, and welcome to my messy house. As you guys can see, I have a disaster everywhere. Not a disaster, but I just have to put some stuff away around the house, like that bag and like all this other stuff. And I have a lot of dishes that I have to do. Alright you guys, so this little thing right here, this plant thing that says Plant Mom, my daughter had an idea to get it for me when we went to go shopping at TJ Maxx. I absolutely love it. It comes with like this pen and this notepad that I use daily, and it's just super cute. I love the coloring, and I just cannot wait to use it. And this thing right here is our watering can that my daughter is going to be using later on this video. That way you guys can see it's super cute. She loves having one of these around the house to water our plants in our garden. I love it. It's so cute.
How we get ready for a video?
Huh?
Said how we get ready for a video. Yeah. Like aquí, man?
Yeah, because you don't have to be holding it.
Oh. Yeah. Bye, peeps.
So right here, all I'm doing is just dusting away my blinds and that super tall window up there that I can't even reach. But yeah, so I'm trying my best to do this at least once a month. I know they didn't even seem like they were dirty, but they were so filled with dust. I'm so glad I cleaned them. And when I'm done dusting my blinds, I like to just go over the vacuum and vacuum the entire living room, and especially the couches, because a lot of dust obviously falls on them, and they're just very dusty. So I like to do that, and I'm just using my favorite vacuum for right now. It's the Shark. I forget the name of it, but I love this vacuum. It's super, super amazing. I like to finish off spraying disinfecting spray all over the couches because it literally makes my space feeling and smelling nice and clean. So I'm just using this and spraying away. Right, you guys, so the living room is done. I have my vacuum right there. There's my daughter. She was about to fall. You okay?
It was a joke.
Oh, okay, that was a joke. But anyways, I have to put that stuff away. It's the water and the boxes down here as well, and start this chaos behind me and get it ready and get it picked up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So right here, what I'm doing is I'm just going to clean the dining table and the dining, what are these called? The placemats, I believe. And yeah, and I'm just noticing my shirt. I don't know if you guys are going to see it in your end, but my shirt is acting crazy. It's probably because of the print. But yeah, I hope that doesn't bother you guys because I don't know how to take it off. But yeah, you guys, that's what I'm doing right now. Just wiping the table. So all I'm doing right now is just putting some stuff away, and what I like to use is my favorite solution right here. It's just water and vinegar. I use it all the time in all of my other videos as well. I just like how it cleans and leaves it super shiny. And a fun fact, I don't even like the smell of vinegar, but this is just something that I use all the time because I really like it. It's just very silly, but yeah, it does not leave your house smelling like vinegar though. That's the best part about it, and it works like a charm. I love it. And of course, don't forget to clean your trash cans. I hate filthy trash cans. I don't know why, but I just don't like them. And especially because mine is white, and it just needs to be clean. Clean it, you guys. Alright, you guys, and that's it. And I really hope you guys liked this video. I literally just cleaned my kitchen and my living room. It's been a while. I was supposed to upload this video back in May, like I mentioned, but I got busy and life got on the way. But yeah, you guys, I'm back, and I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'm so glad you guys took the time to watch this video, and I hope you guys liked it.